Hello everybody, good morning and namaste. You are most welcome to your online revision class of physical education. Today our lecture will be on volleyball. We are going to revise this topic volleyball again. Discuss about anything more. First of all, we have to talk about volleyball, that why we say this game volleyball. So we have to separately know the meaning of these two's. So volley is what? First of all, we have to know about this. Volley means to beat or to hit any object in the air. Volley means to beat or to hit any object in the air is called volley, and here object is ball, so that it is called volleyball. After that, we have to give the dimension of the volleyball court. Volleyball court. Now what we have to do? First of all, we have to make the ground, and its dimension is 9 meter by 18 meter, and we have to write it like this. Length of the court is 18 meter and width of the court is 9 meter. And after that, you have to draw one line in the center of the court, and this line is called center line. Center line. It will be in the center. For what this line is here? It is dividing the court into two parts. Divide the court into two parts, and it will be in the center. After that, you have to draw two more lines. These lines are called attack line, and its distance both of the side 3 meter from the center line. And here you have to write attack line. It is 3 meter away from the center line, from the center. So it is called attack line. And this area is called, this line is called back line, and this line is called side line. So this is your simple code. If we asked that you have to explain the volleyball court with all its specifications, then you have to show, as we dictate in our last lecture, substitution zone, substitution bench, libero zone, scorer table, first referee chair, where will be second referee. All these things you have to dictate in detail. But if simply question comes, okay, you have to explain volleyball court, then you have to dictate like this. After that, you have to make poles. You have to tell about poles. Then you have to show 2 poles. Two poles are here, and the height of the poles, height of these 2 poles will be 2.55 meter. Height of these 2 poles will be 2.55 meter, and it will be fixed 1 meter away from the center line. This is your center line, and it will be fixed 1 meter away. Fixed 1 meter away from the center line. For what? To avoid any injury. After this, you have to explain with the help of diagram, net. Again, you have to make poles, and you have to show with the help of picture net. This is your net. Its length is 1.5 meter and height is 2.43 and 2.24. So it's, first of all, you have to tell about length. It will be 9.5 meter, and height, it will be 2.43 for men and 2.24 for women. And what about width? It is width. It will be 1 meter. It is your length, and it is your height parallel to the ground for men 2.43 and for women 2.24, and width of the net will be 1 meter. And what about mesh? Mesh, it will be 10 centimeter. Mesh will be of 10 centimeter square. So this is your net. After that, antenna will be there. So you have to dictate about antennas. Antennas. There are 2 antennas. Again, you have to make net, and here is 2 antennas fixed in the net. So height of the antennas will be 1.8 meter. 1.8 meter. 1 meter will be merged in the net, and 80 centimeter will be above the net. For what these 2 antennas are there? To tell the direction. These 2 antennas will tell the directions that the ball is in or out. If ball touch any antennas, then it means the ball is out. It will be considered considered as a foul. Next, ball. So you have to draw the picture of volleyball. It will be round shape. It will be round in shape, and its weight will be 260 to 280 gram, and its circumference will be 65 to 67 centimeter. It is ball. After that, players. Total, how many players are there in volleyball? 6 plus 6. Total 12 players are there in one team. 6 players. Six player will be inside the ground for play, and 6 player will sit on the substitution bench for their substitution. So total 12 players will be there. Now, what about game? Game will be of 25 points. If there will be best of 5 sets, then first 4 set will be of 25 points and last set will be of 15 points. First 4 set will be of 25 points, but last set will be of 15 points if best of 5 sets are there. If best of 3 sets are there, then first 2 set will be of 25 points. First 2 sets will be of 25 points and last set will be of again 15 points. So this is the right way to explain about volleyball. Again, I am going to dictate in brief. First of all, you have to clear the meaning of volleyball. Volley means to hit or to beat any object in the air is called volley, and object is ball, so that it is called volleyball. After that, you have to show the dimension of the volleyball court. So first of all, court, length of the court is 18 meter, width of the court is 9 meter, and there will be one center line. This center line is dividing the court into 2 parts, and after that attack line, it is 3 meter away from the center line, both of the side. And after that, you have to draw the picture of poles. There will be 2 poles and they will be fixed 1 meter away from the center line to avoid the injuries, and its height will be 2.55 meter parallel to the ground. After that, you have to make net. So you have to draw the picture of net, and its length will be 9.5 meter, height 2.434 men and 2.244 women, and its width will be 1 meter and mesh will be 10 centimeter square. After that, you have to show with the help of picture antennas. There are 2 antennas fixed in the net, both of the side, and its height will be 1.8 meter, and it will tell the direction that ball is in or out. If ball touch the antenna, then it means that the ball is out. After that, you have to make ball. It should be a round shape. Its weight is 260 to 280 gram. After that, circumference is 65 to 67 centimeter. And players, how many players are there in the game of volleyball? Total 12 players are there. 6 players in the field for play, and 6 players will sit outside on the substitution bench for their substitutions. And at last, we have to talk about game. Games will be of 25 points. If there is best of 5 sets, then first set will be of 25 points, but last set will be of 15 points. If there is best of 3 sets, then first 2 sets will be of 25 points, and again last set will be of 15 points. So this is the right way to explain volleyball. Our today's lecture on volleyball is finished. So for today, have a nice day and thank you.